Hey guys, it's been a while since I tak record video. I'm gonna do get ready with me. So this is my toner, hada labu. I love hada labu so bad. Next, I'm gonna wear my serum. Basically, I have two serum, which is this XY and also Beauty of Jason punya serum. This is like so freaking good, okay? Sebab I dah pakai tak ada lama sangat, tapi kalau as you guys can see, my skin like getting glowing. The next, I'm gonna wear this moisturizer from Icon. So I'm gonna use this sunscreen. It's Beauty of Jason. Decide to pakai concealer je sebab I malas nak make up. Dah siap. For mascara, I wear this Sky High from Maybelline. Ni bagus gila, I suka. So I use this Vanilla from Maybelline juga. Aduh, lawa gila. This is code 120. Is it?
Daging daging.
Dalam dia ni tak chewy.
Tapi atas dia keras. So macam bagi air daging lah.
Bawah tengah dia chewy.
Boleh?
Nurin order matcha latte. Okay. So you have to give dia punya rating.
Ya, I rasa air terpun. Boleh, dia macam dia like pekat macam the normal matcha latte. I would matcha latte. Tapi dia macam pahit sikit.
Bagi rating
8 out of 10.
Dia malu
Babes kat bawah. Kat semua kat bawah.
My feet start slowing, everybody's start looking at my shit.